Okay, we're now announcing the awarding for tonight's D1 3v3 basketball tournament. First award that we're going to announce is Season MVP. We would like to call on Mr. Taufik. Taufik winning the award of Season MVP.
Thank you for the award.
With a total points of 60 points and 19 rebounds for the entire season.
I love you, Taufik! Can I borrow the ball?
Grabe, 19 rebounds, di ka nga tumatalon.
Only one basketball, please.
Solo.
One solo,
Emirates,
one
Emirates.
with the rebound. Take them. There you go.
Rami is angry now.
It's Emirates. Emirates,
I love you, Taufik! Taufik!
Mo, you can join the picture.
Taufik, call me!
Stand here, show you one.
Kailangan wrist!
Move your leg a little.
Pakita mo yung liwan.
yeah, pakita yung liwan. pre.
Pakita liwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Mo, lapit konti. Hey,
Thank you very much.
next.
Congratulations,
portrait.
Taufik.
The next award
Portrait.
for the most spectacular player for the season is Maurice with a triple-double of 27 points, 10 assists, and 11 rebounds. Congratulations, Mr. Maurice.
Nakaribaw pa yun, no?
One picture of you.
Ilan
You need ball or
rebounds?
no? Ball.
Hey, call me! Latres.
Venga.
Please join. Nice.
Dalam, you can take picture from this. So the video will take picture. Next.
The next award is
3 point.
the winner for the three-point shootout,
Taufik's dream.
Mr. Brian Kahana.
Trigger man, bang! Tinalo ako, Vincent!
Nada.
Bang, bang! Bola.
Bola with ball.
Yung Emirates ko yung Bray. Baka ma-sponsor tayo. Baliktad. Oh, para ma-sponsor.
Emirates.
Free ticket.
Rami is here? Ay, Rami is here!
Join.
Free ticket to Bangkok.
Free ticket to Thailand!
Lenny boy.
Nice.
Sawadika!
Next award is finally we have the Mythical Five. Right. Let me call on Brian. Aram.
Joe Wesley!
Joe.
Epic skin.
Epic skin na naman!
Legend skin ka sa akin mamaya.
Ed.
Wow!
And for the
Scam!
Mythical 5, we like to present
Mo.
Scam! Number 17 scam!
Congratulations, Mythical 5.
Scam! Bakaw yan!
Matangkad sa gitna.
Hindi ka siya sa ano eh. Portrait. Ito, portrait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Maybe Emirates Bond.
Ball, give the ball.
Okay, dyan, sa'yo ko.
Kuya, hindi ma-landscape ko yan. Hindi ma ano, mga ganito. Kasi hindi ka siya eh.
Layo ka. Matatamaan ko.
Yung ano dito. Wait.
Sige, yaman na. Okay lang eh.
Yan. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Yan.
Thank you. Okay.
Yun.
And finally, the last award. The champion for the first 3v3 season V1 basketball. May I please call on
Magka-mythical task.
team
Ulit.
Ulit.
Minsan na lang
team number
Hindi ka
5.
Oh? Minsan na lang.
Let's go.
One more.
One more.
Picture.
Vertical 5, one more.
Pinutol niya si Ted.
Hindi kita papasahan next season.
Ha?
Wala ka nang pasa next season.
Kami, shot.
Okay, Ted. Tingin.
5 ulit, 5.
Yan. Wait. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Kita muscles ko.
Kita. Okay, 1, 2, 3, one more. Again. 1, 2, 3. Ted. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Okay.
Mamaya, ano na naman
Wala,
siya
fit
na-
talaga. Kasi
Okay na.
And finally,
winner!
I would like to announce the winner and champion of Liwan Basketball first season of 3v3, team number 5. I call on Brian, Robbie, and Ram.
Shawarma. Pepsi.
Congratulations, Team 5.
Let Rami hold the Emirates ball.
1, 2, 3, smile. Aywa.
Rami, hold the Emirates ball.
Wait, again.
Rami, hold the Emirates ball. Wait.
Yung magandang picture pa, ipopost natin sa ano.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Another pose.
Wait, Bri, hawakan mo yun.
Bite.
Bite medal. Rami, don't want to bite the medal. You want to bite tits.
Pakita mo yung tatlo.
Go!
1, 2, 3, smile.
Rami, one. Yeah. Flex, Karam, flex.
Aywa.
Karam, flex.
Again.
One more.
Up. Normal picture. Together.
1, 2, 3,
Wait.
smile.
Rami, bring the trophy a little bit down. Yes.
1, 2, 3, smile. Aywa.
Everyone's hands on the trophy. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Monkey! Okay. Ayos!
Grabe, ganda talaga. Ganda talaga makuha. Nagpababa ko konti para tangkad lahat.
Yung bag sana, tinanggal.
Yeah, that's yours.